Good evening, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. This is my makeup video for Chapter 14, Pregnancy. My name is Kaylee Chavez, and I decided to focus on the trimesters of pregnancy. So there are 3 different trimesters, hence the name trimester. There is the first, second, and third trimester. And here with this picture in front of you, you see the different stages of which a baby goes through those different 3 trimesters. For the first trimester, it's typically up to 12 weeks long. The first day of the last menstrual cycle is typically when it is logged by. And then the first 4 days, the embryonic cell is called the zygote, which is just the cell forming together to create the embryo. And then by day 14, it is now called the embryo. And then around 5 weeks, 5 to 6 weeks typically, we can start hearing the heartbeat, and then we can also start very early feeling the baby move around. And then week 13 is typically the end of the first trimester. Okay, the second trimester, it begins around week 14. At the beginning of the trimester, the babies or fetuses or whatever you want to call them are typically around 1 ounce. At this point, all the limbs and phalanges are formed. Organs and like tooth cavities and stuff like that are formed as well, or also developing. And then, sorry, I'm trying to see. And then the fetus eventually begins to look like a baby, which I think is very cool. And then the third trimester, finally, at the end, we see at fetuses weigh around 2 to 3 pounds towards the beginning of this trimester. In this stage, the fetus grows to about 2 times its length. The fetus also becomes more of like an infant, so it develops a lot more in this stage. It's almost fully developed, like I guess as developed as it'll get in the womb. And then at 38 to 40 weeks, it is born out into the world. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you so much. Have a good one.